Q8005-1. Any wooden member that has been overstressed is subject to which type of failure? A. Stretch. B. Compression. C. Torsion. The correct answer is B. Compression failure occurs when a material, in this case, wood, is subjected to compressive forces that exceed its capacity to withstand the compression. Wooden members can fail when they are compressed, leading to structural damage or collapse. Compression failure is a common concern in wooden structures. 8006. Which statement about wood decay is correct? A. Decay that occurs before the wood is seasoned does not affect the strength of the finished piece. B. A limited number of certain kinds of decay is acceptable in aircraft woods since decay affects the binding between the fibers and not the fibers themselves. C. Decay is not acceptable in any form or amount. The correct answer is C. Decay is not acceptable in any form or amount. This statement is correct. Decay in wood represents a significant structural concern. It weakens the wood, reduces its load-bearing capacity, and compromises the overall strength of the material. Therefore, any form or amount of decay is not acceptable, particularly in critical applications such as aircraft construction. 8006-1. Which statement concerning decay is correct? A. Decay that appears as mineral streaks is acceptable. B. A limited amount of decay along the beveled edges of unrouted beams is acceptable. C. Any form or amount of decay is not permitted. The correct answer is C. Any form or amount of decay is not permitted. This statement is correct. Decay in wood is a serious concern as it compromises the strength, durability, and safety of the material. Even small amounts of decay can weaken the wood and potentially lead to structural failure. Therefore, in any application, including construction and other uses, any form or amount of decay is not permitted. 8007. Which of the following conditions will determine acceptance of wood with mineral streaks? A. Careful inspection fails to reveal any decay. B. They produce only a small effect on grain direction. C. Local irregularities do not exceed limitations specified for spiral and diagonal grain. The correct answer is A. When determining the acceptance of wood with mineral streaks, the condition that will determine acceptance is when careful inspection fails to reveal any decay. Here's the reasoning for each option: careful inspection fails to reveal any decay. This condition indicates that despite the presence of mineral streaks, there is no accompanying decay found upon close inspection. As long as the wood is free from decay and retains its structural integrity, it can be considered acceptable even with mineral streaks. 8008. The wooden spar is routed to A. Increase strength. B. Obtain uniform strength. C. Reduce weight. The correct answer is C. To reduce the weight of a wooden I-beam wing spar, a routing process is employed. This involves removing material from the web section of the spar. It should be noted that this removal of material has minimal impact on the overall strength of the spar. Despite the material being taken out, the spar retains a significant portion of its original strength, ensuring its structural integrity and performance are not significantly compromised.